Okay, here's a quick update of my garden. All the seedlings that I've planted in these plants, I've transplanted into my big Mr. Stacky planter. I was having trouble growing carrots, but I planted them in this little container here, and I'm just starting to see some results. There's 3 little sprouts coming up. Over here is my tomato plant, and it's coming along pretty nicely. I mean, there's a number of big pieces of fruit. There's some smaller ones inside. Yeah, they're growing pretty well. The only issue with this is that some of these leaves are turning yellow, and I've read that that might be due to overwatering. We'll have to see. I've cut back on some of the watering. And then here is my Mr. Stacky. And up top, it's just growing like crazy. The oregano is taking over. These green onions I harvest every day, and they just keep growing. The rosemary's doing well. And then, let's see if I can pull back this oregano, but this is some garlic that I took, and it was just garlic that I bought in the supermarket, and I planted some of the pods, and it's growing pretty well. Now below that, these are actually I think cucumbers, and they've really been sprouting, so they're doing pretty well. And then over here, these are peas, and they're doing pretty well. Down here, these are bok choy vegetables, I believe. I hope so. And they've just started growing. I couldn't get them to grow for a while, and so I just transplanted this one plant that I bought in the grocery store and stuck it in the soil, and it seems to be growing. You can see down there, there's like some little sprouts and stuff. So that's kind of encouraging. Let's see. This, I'm not even sure what that plant is. There's this one, and that little one. I don't know, we'll have to wait and see what those are. Down here, these are watermelons. And these watermelons are all doing very well. I'm really looking forward to the watermelons coming out. Oh, and then these are the beets. And they seem to be doing pretty well. So all the plants in general are sprouting. I'm just hoping that the insects stay away. I have had some issues with insects on my tomato plant, but you know, maybe that's to be expected. Anyway, that's my update about my little garden.